Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This truck ahead hits an icy patch under the bridge and loses control. Speeder got served by instant justice.
Mr. Speed Demon. And then he has to slam on his brakes because of the...
Just to get one car. He's gonna go get that truck! Yes! Karma, baby!
Go get him!
Oh, he didn't get the truck. Oh, he did. He got two people.
Yes!
BMW X5 ran a stop sign and then blocked the road in order to have an argument with the driver. Taxi driver decides to flee the scene after hitting parked car. Driver decided to run away after her car backed into another parked vehicle.
Although keep in mind, you can obviously listen to the voicemail and call them right back. Also, you know that you want to stop that number. able to call you again in the future, simply do the following. Head to the phone app and tap on Recents. For the number that you'd like to block, tap the I or info button to the right of it. Scroll to the bottom of the page and choose Block This Caller. And just like that, your iPhone will stop that number from being able to call you again. Now, the way that most scams operate is that they change their phone numbers frequently, so this isn't going to protect you forever. But it will
State trooper pulled over another driver who was driving over the speed limit.
this for any new numbers that pop up.
Police chased driver who stole a truck and caused multiple car accidents. This truck driver ran upon devastating accident wreckage. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.